Hello guys, it's Chef Amos and I'm back with yet another amazing recipe. You're highly welcome. If this is your first time, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also follow me on my other social media pages at Chef Amos. So in today's video, we'll be making vanilla and strawberry glaze for your glazed donut. So first of all, we are going to start by adding a cup of icing sugar, sifted icing sugar, and then a pinch of salt, 1.5 tablespoon of milk, and then basically you mix everything together so it's all blended and smooth. If you're looking for my ring donut recipe, I'll put the link down below. And if you're looking for my filled donut or bombolini's recipe, you can still find the link below or just search on my YouTube page filled donut recipe or glazed donut recipe and you will find the recipe. So basically you just keep mixing everything until it's well incorporated and smooth and has a not too thin consistency and not too thick consistency, something like that. So basically I'm just gonna divide this glaze into two separate quantity, into like 50-50. I'm gonna divide it into two for the sake of this video. After dividing, I will first add a half teaspoon of vanilla flavor for one of the halves, and then for the second one I will add strawberry flavor and a little pink coloring and then mix everything together. So I had to cut the other parts for the vanilla glaze. Basically I just add the vanilla flavor and mix everything together, and that's your vanilla glaze. And for strawberry glaze, as you can see in the video, I've added my strawberry flavor and some pink food coloring, and then I'm just gonna mix everything well together, as you can see. And that's it. So this is the food coloring that I used what's the name, avocado. Is it akadabo? Yeah, akadabo, adakabo. Oh, I use that to achieve this color, as you can see. So basically, if you're doing the full recipe of 1 cup of icing sugar, you should use a teaspoon of the flavor. But since I'm dividing the glaze into two, that was the reason why I use half teaspoon of the flavor. So you can find the full ingredients on the description box below, and don't forget to follow me for more. Thank